Hey guys, this is Eddie. You want to know the fastest and most efficient way to check your fuses to see if they're blown? Well, let me show you. That's all you really need is a test light and a ground. And this is going to tell you if your fuses are good or bad. Alright, so that's all you have to do is make sure that your test light is grounded. And you find a good ground. Usually the negative terminal on the battery is the best place to connect it. And what you do is, if you think you got a blown fuse, I mean, you can locate, what fuse it is here, whatever is not working in your vehicle, or you can just go through all your fuses and make sure they're all good. So what you want to do is you want to probe each side of the fuse. There's a little metal tab on either side. See how the light's lighting up? And then you touch the other side and it's lighting up. So what you do is you just touch each side, make sure that when you touch each metal lead that the test light lights up. Just go right through your fuses and check them all. And what will happen is, if you come across one that you touch one side like this and it lights up, and then you go to touch the other side, and I'm not touching it, but if I was and it wasn't lighting up, that means that fuse is no good, because the electricity is not going through the fuse. So it's the quickest way to check fuses, especially if you're under the dash. Don't want to be pulling out fuses and looking at them, because sometimes you can't tell if the fuse is good or bad. Here's another thing a lot of people don't know about the fuse box. Is in the fuse box there's this little tool here. So you take this tool out, and guess what that is? That can pull your fuses out for you. You just clip it right around the fuse and you pull them out, just like, and it makes it so easy to pull out the fuses. But a lot of people don't know that's there. So don't forget to look at your fuse box and find that little tool. And on the back side of your fuse box, the cover, it should tell you where everything's located. I know it's hard to see in the video, but it tells you everything. You even have spare fuses in here. You just have to find it on the cover, and you usually have a couple of spare fuses in here if you blow one on the road. So I hope this helps. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Also like the video, because that makes me happy. Makes me know that I'm doing a good job here. And if you got any questions about how to check fuses, just leave them in the comment box below and I'll answer them for you. But please subscribe. Take care, guys.